Kung naghanap ka ng property sa Molino, Bacar, or Cavite, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Located nga lang ito along Molino Boulevard at very accessible ito to Manila. Malapit nga rin ito sa Las Piñas, Villar City, Muntinlupa at Alabang. Napakaganda nga ng location natin dahil malapit din tayo sa mall, schools, market, hospitals at marami pang iba. Alam mo bang reopen lang to at 1 unit lang ang available? Ito ang Leona Expanded Single Attached na may lot size na 98 square meters. Kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 to 2 carport at meron pa tayong service area na pwede mong gawing extension ng ating kitchen. Ang floor area natin ay 87 square meters kaya naman may spacious tayo na living, dining at kitchen area. Livable na nga to upon turnover dahil included na ang ating tiles, paint, ceiling at room partition. Total of 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath ang meron tayo dito kay Leona. No spot ng payment dahil ang down payment nito ay payable na 18 months for as low as 51,502. At ang monthly amortization nito for 20 years ay 54,184. Developer assistance